In my last video, I got the name of the plant that I wanted to highlight wrong, but it's easy to remember the name of this one. In the front center are a couple specimens of a plant called Cryptocoryne Flamingo. It has a pinkish hue, but it's a lot greener than the pictures in the ad. From what my friend told me, he ordered quite a few of these and allowed me to maintain a few for myself. At first I was hesitant about placing them in front of these creek rock, as the rock is very close in coloration to the plants, but I think that makes the scape look kind of interesting. I can see that one of the leaves in the foreground has an infestation of blackbeard algae, as does, I think that's a sprig of Rotala rotundifolia behind it. So I'll take some pruning shears or sewing scissors and remove those leaves to keep the blackbeard algae under control. Endler's livebearers, of course, won't eat it, and neither will Neocaridina davidi, the cherry shrimp in this tank. As I find likely specimens, I remove nice red cherry shrimp from my 120 gallon tank and add them to this and other 10 gallon aquascapes. The temperature is very close, and the water parameters are as well, such as pH and hardness. I've found that simply netting the shrimp and moving them immediately to these tanks doesn't appear to cause them much stress. They seem to immediately go back to grazing. But this is the tank I like to call 10-1, and here I am putting the male Endlers, as soon as I can sex them, from the breeding colony of Endlers. And as they color up, I can decide if they match the wild type and can go into the wild type tank, or should just remain here in this mixed Endler setup.